I'm Thomas Glenday, Head of Design and Technical Services at the Department of Engineering, and I'm going to show you how this historic cricket bowling machine works. When I was given the opportunity to work on this project, originally designed by John Venn in the early 1900s, I jumped at the chance. John Venn is a famous mathematician, best known for the Venn diagram, which we've all come across at some point. However, he was lesser known to have an interest in cricket. And around 100 years ago, he designed and developed and built this mechanical cricket bowling machine that has the particular unique element of adding spin to the ball. He then challenged the Australian cricket team who were visiting England at the time. So now I'm going to show you exactly how the machine works and its main structure. It starts off with a pretty significant base, and that base has got the ability to be angled, which changes the trajectory of the ball. Then has these two quite significant uprights, and they have to take a lot of the load. They're topped with some guide rails, and then there's sort of a central piece of the machine is this main central throwing arm. The throwing arm's attached with a pivot at the bottom, and it's suspended in the machine by these two pieces of elastic. This is the main power elastic. As you can see, there's substantially more here. And then the rear elastic is actually used to catch the arm and prevent it from impacting the end and therefore causing significant damage. The machine's then locked into place with a latching mechanism whereby the ball can be loaded. And you can see here there's a bobbin arrangement with a bearing block and then the ball holder. An additional string on the machine is used to pass through this guide here before being wrapped around the bobbin, locking it in place using we actually use a matchstick, and then threading the rope around so that as the arm then travels, the rope pulls the bobbin and imparts the spin on the ball. The ball then releases itself under its own inertia.